Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simply Anagha. So this is my first video after long gap. So starting with wishes for new year, wishing all a very happy new year. And since Sankranti is coming, so I thought of making Til Chikkis. So I have not tried this before, so this is my first time. So let's see how I make it. So first I'm taking a 1 cup of til. This has to be roasted properly, so let's roast first. And I'll tell you the ingredients one after other. So first let's roast the til. So here I'm adding the til. So now we need to roast this on a very low flame, and a lot of patience is required. So slowly let's roast. Sorry, I'm not wearing any mic, so first time kara, so next time I'll wear a mic. So we have to roast this on a very low flame with a lot of patience. So let's do it. Once we start getting the aroma, the color also slightly changes, but not dark. We are looking for a golden color, and we will get nice aroma once it's properly roasted. So roast this for good 10 to 15 minutes on a very low flame. If you little flame is also more, it burns and that doesn't taste good. So I'm not scaring you. I just want to tell you that we need to add some ghee on this plate and spread it. In case if you have butter paper, much better. But if you don't have, like me, then please add some butter or some ghee. Okay, and then spread it. So I'm keeping this plate ready. Okay. So plate is ready. No more scaring. Okay, while this sesame seeds is getting roasted, I like to eat some jaggery. There used to be a movie called Jai Santoshima. So in that what happens is they give gur and chana as a prasad. So I got very much fond of that prasad. So whenever I see jaggery, I'll try to mix some putan dal chana and then mix it and eat. I love it a lot. Generally I don't eat jaggery, but if it is with putan dal or it is like this, means I'll eat. Nice it is. Okay, time to check our sesame seeds. As our til is getting roasted and I think it's done now, so time to remove this. Sesame seeds is done. Nice aromatic and very hot. So I'll just remove this in this plate. We have to take this 1 bowl of til we have taken, so 1 bowl of jaggery. So this we have to melt now on a very low flame, and once this is melted, and while melting we have to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Okay, jaggery, a spoon of ghee, so let this on a very low flame. Okay, so to know whether our jaggery, the good is properly done or not, we have to take a bowl of water and then drop we have to take a bowl of water and we have to drop some jaggery in it, and if it breaks or it crystallizes, then it is done. So if it is smooth or soft, then it is not done. So let's do that test, and if it is done, then let's remove and quickly mix the sesame seeds, little ghee, and make the chikkis. So for checking, just take this. No, it's gooey. No, it's not. It's almost getting done. So here is a bowl of water, and I will have to test this. No, it's not done. It's little gooey, so it has to be crystal. More 2 minutes. Shall we check again? So this is done. This looks done now. So check. Yeah. So this looks like little crystal. So time to switch off. Adding this sesame seeds to this. Okay. So we have to be very quick. So yeah, I'm adding the sesame seeds. Mixing this. Okay, so this has to be little quick. So as I have taken a plate with ghee, I'm going to pour on this. This is very sticky business. So butter paper is better, but in case if you don't have. So this is a shape. Now I'm just going to So here the chikkis are ready, Til Chikkis, and I hope it's my first time and I hope it tastes good. So fingers crossed, and let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, so let it rest for 15 minutes and then we will eat it. So this is my first attempt, so I should say that it's not bad, and let's wait and taste it. So 15 minutes are done. Let me see. So 15 minutes are done and this is done. Now let's taste this. Okay, so the chikkis are done. So let me taste it. Tastes very nice. I was wondering why didn't I do till date. You should also definitely try. If I can do means you can easily do it. So this is very yummy. So want to try? Nice, no?
Yeah.
So I hope you like this mini recipe of Til Chikki, and do subscribe, like, share, and keep watching Simply Anagha. Until next time, happy Sankranti, happy Pongal, happy Baisakhi, and take care of yourself.